बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लेसन 13. इस टॉपिक लेसन में हम gerunds एज सब्जेक्ट के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Gerunds as subject. If a sentence begins with a verb plus ing, verb in a continuous form which is known as gerund, the verb must also be singular. Knowing her has made him what he is. Knowing is a gerund form of verb. इसके बाद जो आपका verb follow करेगा that must be singular form. Has made him what he is. Second, dieting is very popular. So dieting is a gerund form and the following verb is singular. Not studying has caused him many problems. So studying again is a gerund form. Gerund form मैं दोबारा repeat कर दूँ, verb in ing form में होगा तो उसे gerund form कहते हैं. इसके बाद जो verb होगा that must always be singular. So not studying has caused him many problems. Washing with a special cream is recommended for scalp infections. Being cordial is one of his greatest assets. Writing many letters makes her happy. Writing is a gerund form verb, so the following verb is singular. Now what is collective nouns? Many words indicating number of people or animals are singular. The following nouns are usually singular. In some cases, they are plural if the sentence indicates that the individual members are acting separately. Many words indicating a number of people or animals are singular. The following nouns are usually singular. So let's jump into those singular nouns. These are the collective nouns like Congress. It is showing many people collection but is singular by itself. Organization, government, family, team, jury, group, army, majority, committee, club, minority, class, crowd, public. These are all verbs जो कि एक collective nouns को represent करते हैं. Majority के बारे में एक चीज़ और क्लियर होनी चाहिए कि majority can be singular or can be plural. For example, if it is alone, it is usually singular. But if it is followed by a plural noun, then it is plural. इसके examples ये हैं कि majority believes that we are in no danger. So majority is not followed by any plural noun, so it's a singular. But if the majority of the students believe him to be innocent, so यहाँ पे majority is followed by a plural noun, so verb will be plural as well. Some more examples are the committee has met and it has rejected the proposal. So committee जो है ये आपका collective noun में आता है और it followed by a singular verb. The family was elated by the news. The crowd was wild with excitement. The Congress has initiated a new plan to combat inflation. The organization has lost many members this year. Our team is going to win the game. So the list of those collective nouns showed are always followed by a singular verb. Some of the examples are here. More information, some nouns are used to indicate groups of certain animals. They are also, it's not necessary to learn the nouns, however the mean the same as group and thus are considered singular. आप इनको नाम याद भी ना रखें लेकिन इसका मतलब यही है कि अगर आप इस वर्ड को यूज़ कर रहे हैं स्पेसिफिक तो ये इसके बाद जो है ये सिंगुलर पे ही कंसिडर किया जाएगा. फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स भी कहते हैं और शीप भी कहते हैं, फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप्स, हर्ड ऑफ कैटल्स और पैक ऑफ डॉग्स, स्कूल ऑफ फिश, प्राइड ऑफ लायंस. सो जस्ट टू हैव गुड वोकेबलरी इन हैंड, इन वर्ड्स को आप मेमोराइज कर लें कि आप फ्लॉक का वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे, फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स और शीप, herd of cattle, pack of dogs, school of fish, pride of lions. मैं इसको थोड़ा पॉज कर रही हूँ, आप इनको अपने पास नोट डाउन कर लें और इनको अपनी वोकेबलरी का हिस्सा बना लें. कलेक्टिव नाउन्स में आपके पास जो हमने भी वर्ड्स पढ़े उसकी कुछ एग्जांपल्स में फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स इज सर्कलिंग ओवरहेड. तो जो फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स है वो आपका सिंगुलर में ही कंसिडर होगा, इसलिए इसका जो फॉलोइंग वर्ब है वो भी सिंगुलर है. द हर्ड ऑफ कैटल इज ब्रेकिंग अवे. A school of fish is being attacked by sharks. So whenever you use these kind of collective nouns, आप memorize हमेशा याद रखेंगे they will be followed by a singular verb. Some more examples. Collective nouns indicate time, money and measurements used as a whole are singular. जैसे कि $25 is too much to pay for that shirt. 50 minutes isn't enough to finish this test. Third, $20 is all I can afford to pay for that recorder. $20 is 2 miles is too much to run in one day. So जब आप collective noun में को यूज़ करेंगे in order to indicate time, in order to indicate money और measurements, तो आप हमेशा singular में ही इसका verb follow होगा. This was all about the gerund verb. I hope it makes sense. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share with your fellow friends. Thank you.